Good evening once more. So it's our review video. This is affiliate boss, a product of Chad Bartlett training. So what we like this guy is he, what I believe to believe is made it on YouTube, his business on YouTube, and it's what I've been sort of promoting, training, mentorship. So this guy knows what he's doing. He teaches others. So this is commendable. It's a free guide of how he makes 1,214 a day. So part of marketing, the numbering is good. Like this happened 4 months ago. If we were telling the story, so numbering plays an important part. So a day marking other people's stuff. So he doesn't have to have an office. And things like that. He's affiliate, proven ways to create freedom. So we could all promote all these different methods, but I focus on the ones that work, and so does he. From your laptop, that you can do it from the comfort of your own home rather. It's time of night. This is free, downloadable from Chad Bartlett. Credit cards not required. So he's telling it's free. He tells us here. Um, Gives in a blueprint. Follow this and quit your job this year. For some might be 2024, but it can happen. And here's the opt-in. We like it. Was nice colour. Yes, send me the free guide, which we'll do just now. Obviously, I pause it and put my own email. So your free guide has been sent to you to your email now. Uh, um, while you're watching While you're waiting, watch this short video if you're interested in working with me. So send you the guide by email. You can go through it. So listen to see what he really has to say about himself. He's really branding himself on YouTube and doing it really well. So let's take a listen.
Hey, congrats on downloading your free affiliate marketing guide. That's going to share pretty much all the strategies, all the niche ideas, pretty much everything you need to know as far as how I specifically do affiliate marketing. So that'll be in your email inbox in just a few minutes. While you're waiting for it, I kind of just want to introduce myself, share my story with you a little bit. My name is Chad Bartlett. I'm the top affiliate worldwide for a massive software company. And it wasn't always like that, right? When I first started, I was 19. I was living in my mom's guest room. I was going to college. I was working full time. And I honestly just didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I didn't know what I even wanted to major in when I was in school. So, just like anyone else, I started Googling ways to make money online. And I tried just about every business model. I tried drop shipping first, and then I tried a marketing agency, and then I tried selling on Amazon. And I did all that within 8 months. I didn't make a single dollar in profit really. Spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and all this crap. And anyways, it wasn't until I found affiliate marketing where things finally started to change for me. Literally my first month in affiliate marketing, I made $5,000 in profit. And within 3 months, I quit my job. I dropped out of college. And once I did that, I was able to free up way more time, put way more effort into my affiliate marketing business, and basically started making 6 figures from there. And eventually a few years down the road, scaled up to that 7-figure mark. So just to show you some proof and kind of what I do, this is one of the main products I promote. As you can see, my name right here. And if I go down to my earnings, I've been paid over $1 million in commissions. This is in USD. I've also been paid around 40,000 in euros. I have around $11,500 available and around $2,100 on hold. I also promote some products on ClickBank. As you can see, these are some of my earnings here. The products I promote on ClickBank, I do without showing my face at all. So I have some cool strategies that I don't talk about too much, where I own TikTok accounts like this. Where I basically hire content creators and partner with freelancers, and they basically just make all my content for me. And I do the marketing on the back end, and I keep all the commissions, and I just pay them a certain amount of money per month to make all my content for me. So I have some really cool strategies where, I show my face. I have some other strategies where I don't show my face. I stay completely behind the scenes. So there's a lot of ways to do affiliate marketing. It's kind of up to you what fits you best based on your budget and just your personality, honestly. I also have some strategies where I buy TikTok accounts, I buy Instagram accounts, you can buy Facebook groups and kind of jumpstart your success that way. So anyways, I'm guessing if you're here, you want to learn how to do this yourself. And sure, my free YouTube videos and that guide that you just opted in for, it's going to be helpful. It's going to be a good place to get you knowing, kind of how it works. But if you're really looking to find success and not have it take you, months or even years like it did for me, I'm actually looking for more people to personally work with who want to make an extra 3 to 5K per month with affiliate marketing using some of the strategies I just shared with you. And the reason being is because I'm putting together a new case study group of a handful of people who are action takers and looking to find success with affiliate marketing. I'm putting together a new product and I want to get as many case studies and testimonials before I actually launch it. So if you want to be a part of this case study group, like I said, I'm just looking for a handful of people to personally work with. Now, some of the requirements is you must have at least an hour per day to actually work on this. And like I said, just be an action taker. I don't care if you're a beginner, you're intermediate, you've been doing this for a while. It doesn't matter as long as you're an action taker and you have at least an hour per day. So anyways, if you're interested, I'm gonna leave a button below this video. All you have to do is click on that button and message me the word boss, and I'll send you all the details from there. I just have a few questions to make sure we'd be a good fit to work together. So anyways, if you are interested in joining this case study group, like I said, all you have to do is click that button below, message me the word boss so I know it's from you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But that being said, by now your free guide should be in your email inbox, so go check on that as well. And I look forward to potentially working and talking to you.
Okay, so that's us listen to.
Hey, congrats on downloading your free affiliate marketing guide.
Right. So this is quite good. He's branded himself quite well, and he's telling his story, if I remember right, that he didn't know what he wanted to do at college, university, and he's telling his story, tried drop shipping Amazon. It wasn't until affiliate marketing it really cracked it, and he shows some of his proof, and he does that ClickBank, another vendor part-time, but he's making quite a lot doing software, and he's not wanting your money. He's saying, like, DM me, direct message the word boss to start and see for a good fit, and it's all training, it's all mentorship based. So as I've said in every video, if it just comes across, oh, buy this product, that's not use. How can you drive a car if you don't have the keys? It's like this kind of mindset, but he's teaching you all, he's mentoring you all, so you can't really, in bad to say about this, to be honest. So DM me the word boss to start. And I quite like it, this compared to other products I've viewed that goes on, the pages on forever and ever. But this is short and to the point. So this allows cookies. So you're basically going on Facebook Messenger to start, and that's it. So it's good that this is just simple. He sent you the free guide, so if you've got that, if you don't work with them or are not interested in working for whatever reason that might be, you can use that. The methods that he says, and then here's just a 4-minute video, and you have to direct message him, and then he will take it from there. So I can't rate him highly enough in this mentorship program. Is it the best? I don't think so. In the description, I've got my #1 recommendation, not in negative about him. It is a great program, but I have got the best, so hopefully you'll check it out in the description. Bye bye for now.